White County.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has flood warning for Woodford County, Fulton County, Tazewell County,
There we go.
Peoria County until 12:15 a.m. Sunday at 6:10 p.m. Emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Peoria, Pekin, Canton, Eureka, Lewistown, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Martinville, Chillicothe, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Marquette Heights, El Paso, Farmington, Tremont, Nanook, and Roanoke. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 12 and 31. Interstate 39 between mile markers 15 and 28. Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 76 and 117.